Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about various ways to do video marketing explained. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. For more information about various ways to do video marketing explained, head over to my website. Link is in the description box below this video. How to do video marketing. Video marketing is a relatively new technique that allows marketers to share their message to a broader audience. This is especially true for businesses that use video as a promotional tool. This video explains how to do video marketing and offers several tips for those who want to get started. Video marketing can be applied to any type of business. It is particularly useful for small businesses because it is easier to attract viewers to a website that is based on informative videos. Here are some of the more effective and simple ways to do video marketing. Using these techniques can help you build up a list of interested consumers and customers for your company. One of the most popular ways to do video marketing is to offer a free video. This is done by creating a video that provides an in-depth explanation of the value of your company's products or services. Another popular way to do video marketing is to use videos that present business information in a quick, easy, and concise manner. This method has been around for quite some time, but it has never been as effective as it is today. The fastest way to do video marketing is to utilize an interactive website. This is ideal for businesses that want to share their message to a wider audience. Marketing using videos can help your business generate leads for offline and online promotion. It can also help businesses reach out to potential customers in an effective manner. The problem with video marketing is that many marketers either overlook it or simply don't know how to do it properly. This article will help you understand the best methods of doing video marketing and teach you about the different methods of advertising and marketing. You can learn how to do video marketing in 3 easy steps. The first step is to set up a website where you can display video files, create a video about your product or service, and finally, promote your video on social media sites. You will also learn how to get leads for your business through this type of marketing. You will find out how to focus on a particular segment of your target market. Promoting your videos through Facebook and Twitter will help increase exposure for your videos. You will be able to communicate effectively with other marketers in your niche. If you're looking to get started in video marketing, this article is full of important information that will help you do so. This article will explain how to do video marketing, how to create videos, and finally, how to promote videos effectively. Various ways to do video marketing explained. The world of marketing is filled with various ways to do video marketing. All that is necessary is to identify what is important and present it effectively to the viewer. It is a tried and true method that works, not only for businesses but also for ordinary individuals. Video marketing is one of the most popular forms of marketing. Many business owners are using it to get their products noticed and known in the local area. A great example of how video marketing is working is the famous McDonald's commercial where everyone was amazed by the success of the new fryers. This is one of the many successful examples of the use of marketing on the internet. It has gained a lot of interest from all people who want to get noticed by the consumer. The next time you watch TV, you can see various marketing techniques that are being used to get noticed by the consumers. Marketing is not just about advertising on television. There are lots of other forms of marketing as well. Here are some of the examples. You can also research on various types of marketing so that you will be able to use your creativity and use it efficiently. Different marketing techniques are used to give your business a facelift. The company logo is imprinted on your company van so that you can be easily recognized. And if you are using banners and flyers to advertise your product or service, it must be printed in the best quality so that the viewers do not get tired of seeing it. Besides, some promotional products like pens, pencils, watches and a lot of other things, used to attract the attention of the viewers. There are many ways to get the recognition of the public and make them follow you, because of the different video marketing tools that are available to you. Some video marketing tools are free while others may cost a little amount, but it will all be worth it in the end. The good thing about using free video marketing tools is that they are easy to use. You should start out with a basic video marketing definition before starting your own campaigns. There are several key points you need to remember so that you are able to improve your business in the future. The first thing you need to know is the basic video marketing definition. What do I mean by video marketing definition? Well, you have to define what is the purpose of marketing videos. This is very important because you need to determine if the video is for advertisement or if it is an informational tool. This is very important to know so that you can do your marketing properly. There are some video marketing tools that can show you what it takes to have a professional video. A marketing campaign has done. This can really help you improve your knowledge about video marketing. Then, you need to figure out your marketing definition. How does this affect your business? This is very important as well because it will help you figure out if the marketing is for advertisement or promotion. It is a vital aspect of video marketing. Here is another video marketing definition that you need to know. In short, your video marketing definition is your product or service. By knowing this, you will be able to present your products and services better. The final video marketing definition is, the more information you have in your video, the better. The viewer wants to know all the details in order to be able to understand. Video marketing definition. Many businesses want to know various ways to do video marketing. Video marketing is one of the most effective ways to market online, as it provides a variety of benefits for your business. Video marketing can also help boost your sales figures and can even attract the attention of potential customers that may not have been there before. This has many benefits to your business and should be used in conjunction with other marketing strategies. The key to using videos effectively for your website or online business is to put them in a natural situation that resonates with your customer. For example, if you are selling designer dresses, then the video could be about a bride wearing a designer dress. If the video is about a woman complaining about her boyfriend buying something and then she thinks that he has the same thing in mind, then it would not be appealing to viewers. Instead, they would be attracted to it when a happy customer is showing off his new dress to his girlfriend. In addition, videos can also be used to promote new products and services. If you run a market research survey service, you could create a short video about how customers could make use of the services you offer. If you run a free Christmas card delivery service, then a video about the different ways to get your cards delivered would be a perfect promotion. The video could also show people how to enjoy the special times of the year with the added bonus of receiving free Christmas cards. In addition, if you are running a charity for children, then you could promote your work by sending your customers a short video about what it is like to raise funds for a cause. The video could also include the message that everyone can help in a child's life. Even if you are marketing your website to give customers tips on how to increase their sales, then the video can be used to introduce customers to your products and to encourage them to purchase your products. It can also be used to show their friends how they can get more value from your product. In addition, a video can be used to recruit new members for your website. Video marketing could be used to show the various features of your website or to ask them for their opinion on a product. If you are a web designer or an affiliate, the videos could be used to show people the latest trends and styles. Also, video marketing could be used to launch new products or services and to showcase new items that have recently become available. A video could also be used to teach people how to use a particular product and how it should be used. Finally, videos could be used to show people where new products are going to be launched and how the product will benefit people. There are various ways to do video marketing. You need to consider the effect it will have on your website, customers, and your business. Thanks for watching my video about various ways to do video marketing explained. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.